What is up, Surefit fam? You already know the vibes. If you want to see how I get this nice long extended ponytail, keep watching. If you want to be a part of the Surefit family, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, baby. Simple as that. And you are in. Hit the bell alert. Follow me on Instagram at Surefit Johnson, and you'll be ready, locked and loaded. So you guys, I want to make this video as short as possible. So I already put my hair into the sleekest bun that I could, and my hair is curly. So if you want this to be super smooth, then go ahead and flat iron your hair, blow dry your hair out. But personally, that's not what I wanted to do, and the less heat from me, the better. You could also trade out this hair extensions for kinky Kanakalon type of hair, but for me, I'm just gonna add some gels and try to cover and sleek my natural hair as much as possible, baby, because you know what, I need it to be popping. So once you get your hair in the nicest, sleekest top bun as possible, it will move, and don't worry about that, okay? Just go ahead and start braiding your hair. I braided my hair down about twice, and I did put my hair into 3 sections and just braid it down twice. Once I did that, all I started to do was begin to braid hair. Now this hair was used hair, and so that's why it's all crinkly and whatnot, and you can use it right at the pack and just separate the hair as much as possible. I wanted my braid to be thick all the way down until the very end, so I tried to make sure that I added the same amount of hair each time, and because I wanted it to be a sleek transition, I continued adding gel to my hair to blend it in. So the longer you want your ponytail braid, you just keep adding more and more hair, and it's simple as that. Like if you want this braid to go down to the floor, honey, it's easy to do. This hair is 18 inches, and literally all you have to do is keep adding hair, which is what I did. Okay, so once I did finish braiding my hair all the way to the floor, no, it was to my knees, but I thought it would be a little extra if I went to the floor. I did go back and fix my ponytail, meaning that I added some more gel to my hair, and then I put another ponytail holder so my hair could be a little bit tighter. So once you finish this braid, your hair will be leaning to one side, okay? So if you want to fix that, take off the original ponytail holder and then scoot your hair and place it over to the side you want it to be on. Mine is leaning a bit because I did want it to be more geared towards one side, especially when I was taking my photos. But if you want it to be smack dab in the middle, go ahead and take off your scrunchie and redo it. Or you can do like I did, and I just added a thicker, tighter scrunchie to my hair. There's also another alternative. You can take some of the braiding hair and wrap it around the base of your ponytail, but honestly, that makes it look a little bit more fake, and I didn't do that. I just left it as natural as possible. Now if you want to secure the ends, you can add some type of rubber band, but for me, I simply added hot water and it made it stay. Also, you guys, if you have like strays and raggedies over your hair, all you have to do is snip them or just simply cut them. But this is my braid. It goes all the way down to my butt, and I'm just whipping it and swinging it. And this is me taking off my head rag after I've added more gel, added a thicker scrunchie, and as you can see, like, my hair is super curly. But honestly, I love this hairstyle, and if you do too, totally give me a thumbs up. And until next time, you guys, peace out.